What's up guys, take the new video. In the fifth today we have the W-KING X20. This speaker has been released a few months ago already, but it sadly was not available to get it here. W-KING can also not send it out to me somehow, even though there is now European stock at Amazon, ALIEXPRESS and so on. So I decided to get it myself for a short time and then I will just resell it, as I do in most cases in those scenarios. So this is the box, it's pretty big. It's also a pretty big speaker, but something that I do like about the W-KING speaker is that it has been built pretty nicely, and especially with like the bass mode on, there's a big bass boost in the low levels, but also you of course have the W-KING app, so you have different EQ settings but also custom EQs. I did notice if I use the speaker normally EQ settings, which I will also use always in my first impression video like this, it's actually pretty decent. It's not too much bassy or too much treble boost. It's pretty well neutral for this big size of a speaker. And as soon as you use the bass button, you get more deeper bass, but you do also lose a bit of mid-tones, I would say. So here are a few samples, enjoy them and see you around.
Show you mine, you don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5. I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend you're shy. Take it slow, let it go. Let's take a trip to uptown. Let's get the water tight, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows. barely scratching the surface. This